What up? All right, so I got these meteorites that you can see are extremely rusted and not looking so great. I got these smaller ones that are also rusted, not looking so great. I just did a sample clean. I got this one, looks a little nicer now. Not really too sure, this is very experimental for me. I got rust cleaner, I got isopropyl alcohol, I got a toothbrush, and we're gonna go for it. So I'm gonna start off, this is our rust remover gel. I got 2 bottles of this, so I'm not trying to be conservative at all. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute.
A few moments later.
I'm just using this like terrible toothbrush that broke. I would use a wire brush, but I'm worried that it would scrape too much off. You know, if anyone has any suggestions or ideas or experience doing something like this, let us know.
So what are these called and where are they from?
These are Campo De Cielo meteorites. They are from Campo De Cielo. These things are freaking super duper cool. And it's worth whatever we can do to try to preserve and protect. As you can see, the toothbrush is amazing.
I think you need a new toothbrush.
No, it's perfect. Let's take a little.
That looks better already.
It does look much better already. Still not golden. Still not perfect, but much better. It still has a lot more work to be put into it. Once I get a couple of them soaked in, I'm going to start brushing that one again, and then I'm going to try to pour some isopropyl alcohol on it to get whatever's remaining off.
Nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you. My arm's getting tired.
First one's in the back.
These are not for sale, by the way. Oh, that broke. That'll be for sale.
That'll be $10,000.
Well, that was round 1 of cleaning and figuring it out. Hopefully, I didn't ruin it.